एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले कभी स्क्रिप्ट डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन बाल्की सर मैसेज्ड मी, आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई respect him as a filmmaker. I just told Saif that I'm going to meet Balki and he's going to narrate me. I think the conversation ended there till last night. फिर last night उन्होंने promo देखा because Balki sir sent the promo home and I wanted Saif to see it before anyone else does. And I think I've never seen the reaction. He's like, I think it's one of the best promos I've seen, and he was like, I'm so proud that you've actually said yes to now this is what all of us actors say कि ये अलग film है, कुछ हटके है इस film में, कुछ अलग है. He's saying this is actually what is different. So I think his reaction was amazing in spite, and he had not heard or heard the script, nothing. I hadn't told him anything. But he definitely knew through the making of the film that I was very, very excited. So he knows that when I'm excited, when an actor is excited, there's going to be something special out there.
Kareena, there were so many reports that you broke your no kissing policy. Did you actually have a policy like that you broke for this?
आपकी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है ना, वो ज्यादा जरूरी है. ये पॉलिसी चाहे तेल लेने, वो जरूरी है.
No, but did you actually have?
But that I think the media already knows that. I mean, I had read that there was this policy. I don't think.
I checked with her where she's taken out this policy from.
Where this is coming from.
जीवन बीमा जो कराया था इन्होंने किसिंग को लेके.
But you know, this kissing is made a big deal out of, because what are husbands and wives supposed to do at home?
No,
I mean, when they come home, what will they do? They will discuss.
This is what
I was asking somebody. I mean,
Like this,
they're saying kiss, and it's and you're supposed to be a cool husband and wife. What would you do? I mean, I really want to ask various people.
Sequel to Kian ka, you have two flowers instead of a face. Going back retro.
जी पिक्चर 1 अप्रैल को रिलीज हो रही है, तो ये कोई खास आपने अप्रैल फूल्स डे चुना है या ऐसे ही?
I think we three are the biggest fools to have done this film. That's why. I mean, I just believe that it's a fun film, and normally people would say, "Hey, what a foolish couple! How can they live like that?" You know, the normal stereotype people would say, "How can you do this? I mean, useless man. What are you sitting at home and kind of cooking out there? Why when his wife is working hard?" So I think it's also a thing, a kind of a statement saying that, yeah, if you think it's foolish, so it is.
And we have a song which has that word in it also.
It's the whole thing. Their love is called foolish. So it's about that, and
है इस बार सोच के किया मैम. ऐसे नहीं कि डेट चुन के वास्तु के हिसाब से और न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से. थोड़ा थॉट प्रोसेस भी है इस पिक्चर में.
Can we consider Mr. Bachchan as your lucky mascot as well?
If that would really, I don't think he'll be very happy if I call him a lucky mascot. He's not a mascot. He's Amitabh Bachchan, number one. He's the country's greatest actor, and that he is here in this film. You will see in this film. It's a special appearance by both Jayaji and Amitji. And when you see the film, I don't want to say more about it. The essence of what we're trying to say is in that particular scene.
He said,
just
boss,
not-
I got to work with Amitabh Bachchan from my generation. I'm the first actor that got to share screen space with him, with Jayaji and him together. I think it's an amazing achievement for me. And I'm, कुछ भी हो मेरे करियर का ना, मैं I can look back and say, मैंने तो पहले काम किया था.
इतनी अच्छी बात कर गए यहाँ पे. मुझे ये बोलें, एक आखिरी सवाल, कभी ऐसा हुआ करीना काम से लौट के आई, यारी दोस्ती में एकदम, ए मेरी ज्योति बाहर निकल, कुछ इस टाइप का किया इन्होंने?
चप्पल लाओ.
यार करीना के साथ काम करने का पता है क्या मजा है. इन्होंने जो अभी कहा कि she feels that I've made a very brave. For me, it was an exciting choice to be able to do something that is so drastically different. Like she said कि जाके बोल सके हमने कुछ genuinely इस बार हटके और अलग और different वो context में use कर सकते हैं. When he told me he wants to take her, I just felt this excitement as an actor because I knew she's going to come with the intention to do right for the film. She's not selfish as an actor. She's not selfish as a performer, and she was very, very patient with me. It's not an easy role, and I have this thing where Balki sir is concerned. I try to understand and analyze everything and have these conversations, and he hears me out and then says, "Okay, now do exactly what I told you." So she had to bear with my entire process of trying to be this actor and have conversation. She was very, very patient. She could have been that actor saying, "Yaar, chalo, yaar, karo." She really allowed me to have fun with her without worrying about how much she has done before this, what baggage she carries of being a star. She never ever any day on set allowed me and
That's
him
because
to...
I love you, Arjun, yeah? And also because you're a good kisser.
No, but what is really wonderful about the two of them is while he's playing the woman of the house and she's playing the man of the house, there's not one bit of masculinity, what you associate with masculinity in her or femininity in her, femininity in her, in him.
नहीं,
Because
her भी चलेगा, sir.
I just think, you know, but that's, I think the film is all about, if you do things that are normally associated with women, you don't become a woman. If you do something that is associated with a man, you don't become a man. You can still be very feminine, very masculine, and easily interchange roles, and the world will be a better place. That's what the film's about.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.